Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to watch multiple games on NFL Sunday Ticket. So if you're signed up for Sunday Ticket through YouTube TV, here are the steps you need to follow to use the Sunday Ticket Multiview. So note, Multiview only works if you're watching on a TV through an app. It won't work if you are on a mobile device or web browser. So first, open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV or streaming device. After that, select a game. Once YouTube is open on your TV, select an NFL game. The app will automatically recognize your Sunday Ticket subscription if you're logged in, and NFL Sunday Ticket games should appear on the home page for viewing. So here's where things change. On YouTube TV, you can start watching a multi-view as soon as you select a game. The option pops up immediately once you select a game. Click Watch in Multi-View, then select your desired multi-view. After that, you're now on the multi-view screen and are watching up to 4 games at once. And basically that's it.